Hi everybody, this is a series of videos that go through the content of section 6.4, specifically AA similarity, the AA similarity postulate. And so this first video just gives an overview of the postulate. And since my videos can't be very long, I have to put the examples in another video, which I will do. So this video just gives you an overview of the property or the postulate, and hopefully we'll be able to do one problem in the time that I've got. Okay, so you should have with you your notes for the block days, because the pages in this video are the very same ones that are in your notes packet that you received in class today. So if you don't take notes on them, then it'll be difficult to refer to them when you do the homework. Okay, up to this point, up to the quiz that you took today, we've discussed how two polygons are similar if and only if, okay, remember IFF, gosh darn it, sorry. If and only if their angles are all congruent. So in these two triangles, angle A is congruent to angle L. Remember, we need to go in order. Angle B is congruent to angle M, and angle C is congruent to angle N. Then we need to write a proportionality statement that compares the pairs of corresponding sides. So we can say AC over LN is equal to CB over NM is equal to BA over ML. And up to this point, we've had to show that all three sets of angles are congruent, and most of the time that's been given to us. But then we've also had to show that the corresponding sides are all proportional, and sometimes those have had a variable in them, and we've needed to find the value of that variable. But in short, all these things had to be true in order for us to make the similarity statement, which would have looked like A, B, C is congruent to triangle L, M, N. Normally, notice that I'm keeping the letters in order. So A, B, C, L, M, N. Okay. But now, okay, turns out there's an easier way. And it's called, actually, there's a couple postulates. We're going to learn one today and a couple more on Monday. So, and then that'll be it for similarity. So this is called the angle-angle similarity postulate. And most of the time we write angle-angle postulate kind of for short. Okay. So what it says, if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So let's take a look at that. If two angles of one triangle, so let's say angle K and angle J, are congruent to two triangles of another triangle, angle Y and angle X, okay, it says that that's enough to prove that these two triangles are similar. We don't need to worry about the lengths of their sides. We don't need to worry about this third angle. All we need to know is that two angles are the same. So that makes it really easy. So no sides, and we only need to know that two angles need to be congruent. Okay. So, let's see. I'm going to stop there on this video to make sure I'm under about 6 minutes, and then I will start up again on the next video with some examples.